The overview is the command center for your entire business. Here you can oversee your business operations, most importantly, your revenue and the status of your quotes. The sales area allows you to manage your quotes and customers. The inventory lets you import or manage your products and request access to supplier catalogs. You can update your company profile from the settings menu and invite an unlimited number of your staff to join your platform. Each of these pages have dedicated tutorials explaining them in more detail. If you need a refresher at any stage, click the question mark icon to access the knowledge base. Here you can view the total value in the pipeline, quotes that are leads, in progress or sent. Alongside this is the amount achieved so far, accepted and completed quotes. To the right of this, you can set a target. As quotes are accepted, you can monitor how close you are to that goal. Your monthly margins are displayed as a graph. This allows you to track your monthly revenue, broken down into product price, labor price, and margins. Your most recently modified quotes will appear in the latest quotes section, giving you easy access to quotes you're currently working on. When you enter a quote, your navigation menu will change, unique to that quote or project.